here now we're going to pull out the injector now. So we remove all the lines and rail. So it's time to pull out the injector. Remember, number 2 and number 1 is the one that loses the pressure. So it will build excess amount of fire. So it will build mixed storage. So it cause to give it that nice, that heavy blue smoke around there. Okay. To get out the injector is not a very hard task. It's a very simple mathematics. So we're gonna remove this rail. So we have to remove everything, go back right back round to the back. Set them in order. So we remove all this thing go right round. So we get to take out the injector properly. And so we have enough space to tighten and do all what we have to do. So right here we can see we take out the first number 1 injector. This is no good burning engine, burner injector black like this, black like coal. Number 2, no good burning same way. So these are the 2 when we diagnose say are weak. So, and as we can see, the diagnose work properly. So we can see that these 2 not burning good. Them are burn too rich. Too rich. As I see now, we clean up the injector them and I get them, put them in back. Yeah. So tighten them up, then put them at the rail, then start. So we are tighten them up back, tighten up back the injector them. Put in back number 1 already, number 2 I mean. Put in number 1. Right now, we get rid of the smoke. So we don't have no smoke around again.